Hey, and welcome back to my channel. This is Alethea and I'm coming in at you with another video. And this is just simply going to be a quick haul video just to show you some new things that I have in my life. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my new phone. I have the iPhone 8 and let me just tell you all, it was not planned to get the iPhone 8. I'll insert some pictures here of what my other phone looks like. And I had the iPhone 6 Plus, and my plans were, I did not have plans to buy a phone anytime soon, but as my children will call me, I'm too bougie to walk around with a phone that looks a hot mess. So yeah, I had to get another phone, but I have it's the red one, so you can see here, it's the red one, and then the case is just a little red case, and that's me. So yeah, this is my new phone. Alright, so the next few things I did get from the Sephora VIB sale, and I'm actually going to return a couple of things. So let me go ahead and show you the first thing. The first thing is this Sephora Supreme Cleansing Oil, and it depends on how long you've been on my channel. You know this is a favorite of mine. So yeah, this is a favorite of mine. Love, love, love it. The next thing, of course, is my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Whenever Sephora has a sale, I have to get this. It's a must. It's a must. It's a mandatory item. It's a non-negotiable. And the next thing I have, and actually I took the one back I had yesterday. I think the original color I had was maple or something like that. But I got the Born This Way concealer, and I actually purchased this concealer for the purposes of contouring. And I got the darkest color. And the reason why, well, the first color, like I said, was maple. And I could see it, and it contoured so just a little bit lighter than what I wanted. So I wanted something to stand out a little bit more. The store was out of mahogany, but the cashier, I was like, okay, well, I'll just wait until y'all get mahogany in, because I think that's the one I was going to get. She was like, no, you should get cocoa, which is like the last color. And if you look at that, this color is really, really rich. It's really, really deep. It's a gorgeous color. However, it looks muddy on my skin. My skin is just a little bit too light for this color. So this one is going to have to go back, and I'm going to try mahogany. Another thing I got the Anastasia Dip Brow. I think this is what it is. Yeah, the Dip Brow Pomade. I finally learned how to use chocolate. See my eyebrows? I use it in conjunction with my L'Oreal Brow Plumper Stylist, however. But anyway, I got the color Auburn just because I wanted to try to see if I can add a little bit of color to my brow. But look how that is. And I mean, and the color is fine. The color is absolutely fine, but the texture of it, it's like this texture is a bit watery or something. I don't know what it is, but it just did not go on right. So I'm going to take this back and just actually get me another chocolate, so that once my chocolate runs out, I have another one, which they last a long time, so I don't have to worry about it running out for a very long time. So yeah, that was it. That's all I got from the Sephora VIB sale, except they gave me some samples, so I do have those. So yeah, that's all I got from the Sephora VIB sale. But let me show you some other items, some other things that I did get. Me and Babe were in the store in TJMaxx, and I got some items. Well, I didn't get them. They got them for me. So the first thing, because I am a cardigan girl. I love, love, love cardigans. So we got this cardigan, and it's by somebody named Cable and Gauge. And it was just $19.99, as you can see here. Don't look at my nails. They need to be done. They're a horrid mess. But it's just a long, let me stand up to show you this. It's just a long cardigan, and it has these two open here. So I don't know yet what I'm going to wear it with, but I think it's just super duper cute. And then I have this one. Oh my gosh. This one right here was only, this one is by Carmen. Regular price on this says $78. This is a medium cardigan, but this is like this, it's black and cream color stripes, and it is just so super duper cute. And it almost has like this peplum, like a peplum style down here. It's really, really cute. I'll have to show it to you. And then the last thing is this dress, and it's a Tommy Hilfiger dress, and it is in the size 12, and here it is, and it is super duper cute as well. It has this purple and white down here. I'll have to show you this. I definitely need a cardigan or something for it, but the material on this is pretty much a thick material. So yeah, as you can see here, like I said, it's a size 12. Can you see that? I don't know, but yeah, this is a size 12, and it does fit really well on my hips. It fits all the right places, but it is a little bit looser up here in this area because I'm not, like, you know, top heavy for real. Okay, ladies, so it's about a week later, and I am in to give you an update on those items. Has my necklace turned? Okay, so first off, I did take the Too Faced contour, I forgot what color it was, but I did take that back, and I was gonna get another one, but the girl in the store, an associate of mine, suggested that I try the Fenty Matchstick. So she suggested that I get the Matchstick, and this is in the color Truffle. So I do have the Matchstick, and I have used it for a couple of days because I just got it like 2 days ago, and this is what it looks like. And let me pull it up. And now I don't think that there's a lot of product in here, and I'm also still, the jury's still out on how I feel about this product. But this product actually, it doesn't look muddy on me. However, it's really tricky when you're a certain complexion and you get certain products and the undertones and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to keep this. I'm not gonna, you know, take this back. However, whenever another sale comes, yes, and babe, if you're watching this, yes I am, when another sale comes, I am going to go back and get the Too Faced, because I do like the Too Faced concealer as a concealer, and I liked it as a contour. The color that I had was just too dark, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. And then I did take that Anastasia brow gel back in the color Auburn, and instead of getting another brow gel, I did end up getting the Fenty Beauty liner. Now let me tell y'all about this liner. I mean, oh my goodness, OMG, if you have not tried this liner, I'm telling you, I think it was $20. This is like bomb.com liner, but baby, you have to have some good stuff to take this off. This right here is no joke. It's no joke. This line is no, I mean, even just putting it on my hand, like right here, I'll put it right there, it takes forever to get it off. I mean, no joke, this stuff is not moving. You put this on and it is not going anywhere. So it is well worth the $20 price tag. And something else that I did get, I was trying to find a new contour because I have, let me show you. Well, I have been using the NARS, I think it's not Casino, I don't know, but the NARS bronzer or for contour, and it has worked out perfectly. However, being the fact that I'm kind of back and forth between, yeah, anyway. So my NARS is not here, so I needed a powder contour to have at home, and so I tried using this Pure Sculptor contour pack. And if you see these colors right there, they're too dark. They're too dark. It makes my contour look like too, I don't know. I want a contour, but I don't want a contour and look like I'm just like whatever. If you get what I mean, I don't know. So now the highlights in this, and this is not about the highlights, but the highlight colors are like bomb.com. So anyway, when I was at Walmart yesterday, and so I used this one time, this is my first time using this, and that was today, I did get the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And so this is what this looks like. There is a contour color, a sculpt color. I'm sorry, I don't even know why that's being washed out. I guess the plastic on here, but because there's no mirror. Let me take that off. So there's a contour color, a sculpt color, and then a highlight. So it gives you directions, and according to the directions, the contour is for your hairline, the side of your nose, along your cheekbones, and then your jawline, and then the sculpt is for your forehead, your brow bone, the bridge of your nose, well, on the side of the bridge of your nose, the cheeks, and then the Cupid's bow. And then the highlight, add warmth to the face, including cheeks, nose, and chin. That doesn't quite sound right, because highlight doesn't add warmth. At least I don't think it does. So I have a contour palette to use at home again. Oh, one more thing I want to show y'all before I get out of here. So a friend of mine gave me these cool shades. I'm not a shade wearing person, but I think these shades are just so cool. So these are, they have a pink lens right here in these shades, and then it has like a bronzy peach gold type of arm. But anyway. So yes, these are too cute. And then I have a blue pair, and this one has the gold type band, and these are blue in the lens. I cannot wait to wear these shades. I'm not a shade wearing person, but these right here are giving your girl nothing but total life. Nothing but life. I love them. I love them. I love them. So anyway, that is it for this haul. I hope I didn't make this video too long. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm just like really hyped right now, so y'all gotta excuse me, because yeah. But anyway, so make sure you subscribe before you go ahead and get out, because I know some of y'all are not subscribed. So go ahead and subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to comment and like this video and share it across all your social media sites. Go ahead and help your girl build her channel, because that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm here for. Okay, anyway, I'm gone. I'm being just too extra. Yeah, I'll chat with y'all in the next video. Bye.